The Samsung S23 Ultra makes capturing your life's special moments easier than ever.
Absolutely.
Promising stunning and vivid clarity in each image and video, the advanced 200 megapixels camera lets you take detailed images and videos with extraordinary image processing and an impressive sensor. But does the 200 megapixel sensor make a difference? Find out in this closer look. Introducing the S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is quite an improvement over its predecessors, but also bears some striking similarities.
Yeah, really.
In any case, the device's interior and camera positioning on the back is where you'll most likely notice the design changes. The S23 Ultra's rear houses the main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and 2 zoom cameras. In addition, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is anticipated to feature the same enormous 6.8-inch Quad HD display as the S22, but with wider side bezels. The S23 Ultra isn't completely changed, but rather an improvement over its forerunner. A 200 megapixels sensor camera. The S23 Ultra will have the best resolution of any S-series camera thanks to its cutting-edge 200 megapixels main camera. This new sensor is capable of capturing high-definition video and images that are remarkably true to life. The 200 megapixels camera sensor, ISO CELL-HP2, features 200 million 0.6 micrometer pixels using a 1/1 3-inch optical format.
Impressive.
This is a size that is deployed in the 108 megapixels main smartphone cameras, providing users of high-end smartphones with a high-resolution camera without a large camera bump. Advanced pixel binning technology called Tetra 2 Pixel allows the sensor to adjust pixel sizes depending on the amount of light in the environment. With low light, this sensor captures 50 megapixels images at 1.2 micrometer, 4:1 pixel binning, or 12.5 megapixels images at 2.4 micrometers, 16:1 pixel binning. This will help the Galaxy S23 Ultra users to take better photos in dark settings. The HP2 switches to 1.2 micrometers 50 megapixels mode for a video to generate fuller 8K video, approximately at 33 megapixels, without cropping. Low light focusing is also improved with the Super QPD feature, which uses all of the sensor's 200 million pixels as focusing agents. This makes autofocusing faster and more accurate, even in an environment with little light. Samsung clarifies that these plentiful focusing agents are sorted by 4 adjacent pixels to recognize horizontal and vertical changes in the pattern. The ISO CELL-HP2 is an incredible sensor that will empower users of the Galaxy S23 Ultra to take high-resolution pictures with their smartphone in any lighting condition, along with clear and steady 8K video. In Aaron Siskin's quote, "Photography is a way of feeling, of touching, of loving. What you have caught on film is captured forever. It remembers little things long after you have forgotten everything." The Samsung S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor camera is perfect for any type of photography. As an added bonus, the camera's unique folding zoom sensor allows you to take detailed portraits of distant subjects. Learn more in a few minutes about this zoom sensor. How good is a 200 megapixels? The 200 megapixels sensor camera of the S23 Ultra is a powerful tool for capturing your life's special moments. With such a high resolution, you can get incredibly detailed images of even the most mundane things in life. The photos and videos you take will appear crystal clear, even when zoomed in. Thanks to advancements in low-light photography, you can take great shots even in the darkest places. With its wide range of features and capabilities, the 200 megapixel sensor camera is an excellent tool for budding photographers and professionals alike.
This is just what you need.
Make your photography dream come true with the cutting-edge 200 megapixels main camera of the S23 Ultra. Capture the most stunning details of the world and make your life's special moments last a lifetime with the 200 megapixel sensor camera. Imagine capturing moments that are so detailed, and they're almost like being there in real life. With this advanced technology, You can immortalize those memories and relive them time and time again with perfect clarity. New folded zoom sensor. Alongside the 200 megapixel sensor, the S23 Ultra comes equipped with a new folded zoom sensor that promises to revolutionize the way people take and view images. Users can get up close and personal with their favorite shots, while still having the option to zoom out and capture a wider view of scenes.
Wow. That's awesome.
The main component of the new folded zoom sensor is the folded zoom assembly, which is made up of 6 individual lenses sandwiched between 2 thin sheets of glass. The lenses are arranged in a folded configuration that allows for 10x optical zoom. This means you can capture images and videos with amazing levels of detail, even from far away. The S23 Ultra's impressive new folded zoom sensor is further complemented by advanced software. Samsung has developed a suite of software called Pro Mode that allows users to make detailed adjustments to the lens. You'll have the ability to adjust the aperture, shutter speed, and white balance. This ensures that the photos and videos taken with the S23 Ultra are of the highest quality. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell if you want to watch even more incredible content on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. How it compares. Comparing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel sensor camera and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor camera is certainly remarkable. A photo taken by the S23 Ultra prototype, which was shared by a prominent leaker, provided a clear look at the differences between the two flagship smartphones. When compared side by side, it is clear that the 200 megapixel sensor of the newer phone leads to a marked improvement in the overall quality of the photo.
How interesting.
The colors are better defined and more saturated, and there is a dramatic increase in overall detail and clarity compared to the S22 Ultra. The increased resolution of the 200 megapixel sensor allows for greater details to be captured, both up close and at a further distance. The additional resolution enables the S23 Ultra to capture a wider dynamic range of colors, making everything in the frame appear more vibrant. There is also an improved clarity to the image due to the more advanced sensor providing more accuracy when taking the shot. The overall structure of the photo is also enhanced with sharper edges and better contrast, making the final image look more professional. To cap it all off, the comparison between the two phones demonstrates the true potential of the S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor camera. With its higher resolution and improved detail, the camera is a step above the S22 Ultra, allowing photographers to capture brilliant images of the world in exquisite detail. Despite the fact that the photo was taken from a prototype model, it is a tantalizing glimpse of what the S23 Ultra could offer in terms of sheer image quality. To what extent, though, does this matter? Just hang around for a while to find out. Does the 200 megapixels matter? One of the main selling points of the new Samsung S23 Ultra is its 200 megapixel sensor camera. This is a huge jump compared to the typical 12 megapixels or 48 megapixel sensors we normally see on phones. However, it's no longer true that the higher a camera's megapixel count, the better.
Not at all.
More megapixels will only give you the ability to enlarge and crop pictures without individual pixels becoming visible. Other factors are much more important in determining overall picture quality. That's why good image processing and a quality sensor are more important even than megapixels. With the Samsung S23 Ultra, they've combined a high megapixel count with extraordinary image processing and a good sensor to deliver the most detailed images and videos possible. In contrast, other brands may not have the same level of image processing and so rely on higher megapixel counts to get better results. Overall, the Samsung S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor is a great way to get good image quality and resolution. While it won't have the same image quality as Apple and Google's flagship phones, it will still let you capture stunningly sharp and detailed photos and videos. Take some time and check out this video for more insights on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and its new feature. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more interesting videos.